New KitchenAid Free Flex Rack dishwashers feature a game-changing third rack inside. But shoppers couldn't see it from the outside. Plus, the KitchenAid Target has a passion for cooking, not cleaning. To prove this dishwasher is made for makers, KitchenAid needed to show it fits everything they use to make, bake, and create. Breakthrough in-store displays bring the third rack outside the dishwasher. Real dishes inside show how everything fits, including an iconic KitchenAid stand mixer bowl. Plus, on-product QR-enabled mobile video adds assurance with actual owner reviews at point of sale. Online product content breaks from cleaning category norms by appealing to makers' passion for cooking with over 35 videos across the shopper journey, from retailer social snippets and pre-purchase feature videos to hosted product walkthroughs, even a first-ever head-to-head loading challenge against the brand's biggest competitor. Just like the dishwasher, the campaign cleaned up the competition and delivered sparkling results.